I'm back with another fun way to use ribbon that you may have never seen before. Let's take a look at it. Oftentimes we're trying to keep our ribbon from fraying, but today we're going to do the exact opposite for a fun little trick. So what I'm going to do is fray out some of the ends right here, because what I want to do is grab a bit of one of the threads that is running this direction. Now, I am actually going to go ahead and prepare to be able to attach this in place now, because once I do what I'm going to show you, I want to be able to hold everything in place without it coming apart. So I'm going to put a glue dot right there on the back side of my ribbon. And now we'll go back up here to the front. I want to pull one of the threads that is running lengthwise through the ribbon. And as I do, you can see what's going to happen is we get this fun ruffled bunching effect. And at whatever point that you have ruffled it how you want to, you can bring that thread back to the back and you want to press that into that glue dot. You want to make sure it's held nice and tight. And then once it is secured, you can cut off the extra. And then we need to go over and secure the other end as well. So I am going to basically do the same thing from this end. I want to ruffle it a little bit. If you keep pulling on the one that you pulled on from that other end, you can do that, but it can just pull all the way through and then you lose the bunching on your ribbon. So works pretty well if you do this from each end typically. And different ribbons are going to work a little bit different for you, but let's pull one of these from this end. We'll get it secured, and then we are going to add this to this fun card. I know many of us, we love to use ribbons on cards, or some of us don't know we love to use ribbons on cards because it just seems complicated, right? Like it's not supposed to be this complicated. Sometimes it's hard to tie bows, but tricks like this can make it really fun to use ribbons in ways that you don't have to be good at tying bows, and it can just add some fun texture and some fun interest. Okay, I got it where I want it. I am going to secure these threads in this glue dot here on the back. Let's trim off the extra. And then to attach this to your card, you're going to want some really nice, strong adhesive. So I love my Seal Plus tape runner. I use this thing all the time. So I'll lift this off. I am going to run some tape all the way across the center here. And because this twists and turns some, I'll have to do a little bit to straighten it back out. But I don't want this to be all nice and neat and trim. I want it to be ruffly and unique looking. So I'll start at one end. I did the left end. I'm going to attach this down here on the right end. I want to make sure I have some ruffles visible over here. And then I can hide the part that may or may not look as nice. I can put that part in the middle. If you need to, you can just kind of like bunch it up a little bit in your tape and attach it like that to make everything look nice and even. And once you have that on, go ahead and attach this over the top. Just a fun ribbon effect you can try on your next card project. Thanks so much for being here. I appreciate you. Make sure you're subscribed, and I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.